Hello there, who hasn't played Mario in their lifetime? I've played a lot. So question is, can I make a Mario thumbnail on GIMP? Well, let's find out together, shall we? Just like people mod Skyrim, I've mod GIMP, because GIMP by itself isn't that great. So when I work on my thumbnails, I always like to start the background. And isn't there a better background than a standard Mario level? After a Google search, I found this Mario picture, which would be perfect for this.
It's me, Mario!
After using the scaling tool and positioning Mario just right on the thumbnail, there is also this special plugin that I've added to GIMP that is made by its community. The name will be on the screen right now because I cannot say it for the love of me. What this plugin does is it is to add outlines to text, objects, basically anything you want to, as long as the image doesn't have a background like a PNG. Turns out this one that I found doesn't have one. If it had, I'd have to remove this from GIMP itself, or maybe one of those AI tools on the internet that remove backgrounds for free. For this thumbnail to work, I'll use the Mario logo, a photo of Yoshi, and a photo of the Switch 2. I do hope Nintendo won't mind though.
Stop right there, criminal scum!
After finding the classic Mario logo as a PNG and dodging Nintendo lawyers, I got to work removing its background. I centered it on the canvas, applied the line tool, give it a nice white line so it would stand out a little bit, and placed my hand over it slightly. After finding Yoshi that was entrapped inside his egg, unlike he was in Super Mario World, turns out I've had to remove its background and flip his direction to the right, so later on he would face the Mario logo itself. Now it was just a matter of fact to place him in the right spot. I also grabbed a picture of the Switch 2 from the internet, which was pretty easy to do. Again, I removed its background, applied the outline, and placed it behind Mario and Yoshi. So the idea behind this thumbnail to ask the question, when Nintendo is going to make a new third-person platformer Mario game for the Switch 2, that's why I've placed the text on the Switch 2 itself, written like new game. Here's the final thumbnail, enjoy it!